Your child is 2 years old. Other kids are talking in full sentences, but your child just points, grunts, or says nothing at all. You Google it at 2 a.m., terrified. Is something wrong with my child? Is it autism? Is it my fault? Here is what nobody is telling you. Finland has the lowest speech delay rate in the entire world, and their secret has nothing to do with therapy or flashcards. Stay with me, because this changes everything. Speech delay is now the #1 developmental concern among parents of children aged 1 to 3, and in the last 10 years, cases have increased by 40%. Researchers are pointing at one major change that happened in exactly the same time period. Smartphones, tablets, YouTube, cartoons. Screen time in children under 3 has increased by over 500% since 2010. Is screen time the only reason? No. But is it a major reason? The science says absolutely yes. So what does Finland do differently? Finnish parents talk to their babies constantly from day one, not baby talk, real words, real sentences. When a Finnish mother changes a diaper, she narrates every single step. Now I am lifting your leg. Now I am putting on the clean diaper. There, all clean and comfortable. Finnish children hear an average of 2,100 words per hour. Children in high screen time homes, only 600 words per hour. That gap of 1,500 words per hour is called the word gap, and it directly determines how fast your child speaks. Now here is why screens are so dangerous for speech. When your child watches a cartoon, the screen talks at them, but language needs back and forth, real eyes, real expressions, real responses. Every hour of screen time daily for children under 2 increases speech delay risk by 17%. If your child watches 3 hours, that's a 51% higher risk. But here's what shocks most parents. It is not just your child on the screen. When you are on your phone, you stop talking to your child. And those little babbles they make, that's your child trying to talk to you. Every ignored babble is a missed language lesson. So what do we do? Here's your plan starting today. 1. The 20-minute talk rule. Every day, 20 minutes of pure conversation. No phone, no TV. Just you and your child. Narrate everything. Ask questions. Wait for their response. 2. Narrate your day. Just like Finnish parents, talk through everything you do. Cooking, cleaning, walking, everything. 3. Respond to every babble. When your baby makes a sound, respond. Mirror it back. Add a word. This is called serve and return, and it's the single most powerful language tool you have. 4. Screen time limits. 0 screens under 18 months. Maximum 1 hour daily for age 2 to 5, and always watch with them. Talk about what you see. Now I want to ask you something, and I want your honest answer in the comments. How many hours of screen time does your child get every day? 1 hour? 3 hours? Or honestly, you have lost count? No judgment here, just drop your number below, because you might be surprised how many parents are in exactly the same situation, and that conversation in the comments might be the most important one you read today. Share this video with one parent who needs to hear this, and subscribe, because next week we're talking about why your child has 0 attention span and what Scandinavian schools discovered about it. Your child is not behind. They're waiting for your voice. I'll see you in the next one.